Hello, this is Johnny Ussery and my son and business partner Jeff Ussery with the March update. Jeff, why don't I lead with some headlines?
Sure, that'd be great.
This was Powell came out, the Fed chief Jerome Powell, this was on March 6th, and said that he expects rate cuts, but inflation progress not assured. Rate cuts likely will depend on the path of the economy. Our focus is on maximum employment and price stability. We're just going to keep our heads down, do our jobs, and try to deliver what the public's expecting from us. So, encouraging.
Yeah.
He's saying by before the end of the year that it's reasonable to expect some cuts.
Right. It's good that they're not doing any more hikes right now.
Yes, we don't need any more hikes.
Yeah.
He said, Powell in his prepared remarks to the House panel said rate reduction will likely be appropriate later this year. That's good news.
That'd be great.
Yeah. What's happening in the local market?
Well, first, it'd be awesome to have those. Right now, the mortgage rates are around 7% still. Mortgage demand had gone up back in January, but mortgage demand seemed to have gone back down a little bit recently.
Okay.
So if those numbers could get around 6, that'd be awesome. I think people would get excited and come back to the market. But right now they're staying at 7 and probably will stay that way until they start to cut some of those interest rates.
Okay.
But locally, just some quick numbers for us. New listings are up 26% in the Bluffton area since last year. Closed sales are up 19%. Median sales price up 6.5%. And then the days on market until sale is up 32%. So median of 146 days on market. So it's the same old story, I guess, for us, over the past year and a half or so. It's just days on market just continue to jump up. So it's taking a little longer to get your house sold.
And then these numbers, like an average of, what you said, 140 something?
Right.
The average days on market, we feel, should be less than 100.
Right.
So if a home is not traded within 100 days, basically 3 months, then the price is a factor.
Yeah.
And we need to make a price adjustment because the homes that are priced to the market, they're selling.
They do.
We've been very blessed here in this past week and a half. Had the house over on Hunting.
Yeah.
Went under contract. It was a listing of ours. Yeah. We had a house in Carlton River.
Right.
That's under contract. That's a $3.6 million home on the marsh looking out to the Deepwater with a dock. Beautiful home. And then the third home
was a home in Hardyville, actually, so on Osprey Lake. So, and 2 of those 3 were sold before they hit the market. So
maybe we're just real good. I don't know. But we're selling real estate. So as far as it being slow, not at the Ussery Group. And we're very, very fortunate, very blessed by that. But we'd love to assist you if you're in the market to buy or sell. And just one last thing here, Jeff. It says, why there won't be a recession that tanks the housing market.
Good.
People keep asking about that. Where do you see the market going? He says, well, that might be why a recent survey from the Wall Street Journal shows only 39% of economists think there'll be a recession in the next year. That's way down from 61% projecting a recession just 1 year ago. That's a huge swing. Unemployment rate near all-time lows, that's positive. Unemployment expected to stay below 5%. Long-term average is 5.7%. So bottom line, most experts now think we will not have a recession in this next year. They also don't expect a big jump in the unemployment rate. That means you don't need to fear a flood of foreclosures that would cause the housing market to crash. It's just not going to happen. That's great news.
That's great.
Super news.
And then I'll run down the list real quick of how many homes currently listed for sale in some of these communities that we do a lot of business in. 7 currently listed in Carlton River, 17 in Belfair, 11 in Berkeley Hall, and 12 in Oldfield. Some of those don't exist. Some of those homes are just paper specs. Builders just putting a new build up, and it could just be the dirt. So there's less than that actually. So still, there's more inventory coming on the market, but still, historically, it's still limited.
If you're looking to sell, and Jeff and I have been counseling all of our clients on this, do it now, because there will be an increase of inventory in the spring.
Yes.
We know it because our phone's been ringing and we've been sitting down with people and their planning is what I need to do in my home to get it staged properly, get it in shape, where we can bring it on the market this spring. So if you'd like answers to those questions, we'd be happy to help you. Anything else, Jeff?
That's it.
All right.
Give us a call.
Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.